So hi guys, we are here today. We are in Togoria, Tharaka-Nithi County. As you can see, authorized personnel only. So today I am going to authorize you to get into this particular project. Remember that Perockstar Design and Construction Company, we are giving the best. So today I want to give you a free ticket to authorize you to get and see the project that we have been having here, and you guys are going to like it. So come with me. So hapa hii inaitwa Prosthetic Lab. Sasa Prosthetic Lab ni pale ambapo kutakuwa kunatengenezwa artificial hands, maybe legs that is missing part, na ni hapa Togoria. So remember hii kazi yote imefanywa na Perockstar Design and Construction Company. Kama vile unaona hapa juu yangu kuna kitu fulani. Yeah. So these are some of the things ambazo zitakuwa zinatumika kwa hiyo kazi. Hii kazi yote imeweza kufanywa na Perockstar Design and Construction Company. As you can check also on these walls ambazo mnaona, hizi walls ni fire resistant, kumaanisha kwamba wakati ambapo kunaweza kukatokea hapa ndani moto, for whatever the reason, hakuna kitu ambacho kitaweza kudhurika. So this particular wall is fire resistant, yani haiwezi chomeka. Remember that if you want to get more inquiries, or maybe you want to understand more about this particular even walls, you can inquire from Perockstar Design and Construction Company, and we are here always for you. So I want to take you around. Remember that this building has been built by Perockstar Design and Construction Company. Of course, we give the best luck. You can always reach out to us through our numbers that are going down on your screen. My name is Swelly. Of course, your only and your all-time digital marketer.